Health. The doctors' strike hits day 59 with still no sign of a deal being reached by the doctors' union and the government. Today, ministry officials were expected to appear before the Health Committee of the Senate, but we understand that officials have failed to appear there. Let's now speak to our reporter, Mark Namaswa, who was in that particular session, to get a better understanding of what exactly went down. A very good afternoon to you, Mark. What exactly happened at the Senate Health Committee today?
Akisa, what was expected to be a monumental meeting to resolve the impasse concerning the doctor's strike turned out to be a little bit of a disappointment from the side of the Senate Committee on Health. Dr. Wilfred Mashage, who chairs the Senate Committee on Health, had expected that Ministry of Health will send officials there, but that did not happen. So they ended up holding a meeting between the Senate Committee on Health officials only, no show for the side of the doctors, or no, sorry, for the side of the Ministry of Health officials. But this resulted in Dr. Mashage announcing that he's going to write a letter to the Ministry of Health to compel the CS Cleopa Mailu as well as the PS for Health to show up for a meeting with the Senate Committee on Health officials on 7th of February, and also schedule another meeting in which officials of KMPDU will also be expected to appear before the Senate Committee on Health. Akisa.
So do we expect, because doctors are going back to court on Friday, what do we expect between today and Friday? Any hope that a deal would be reached then?
Unless a deal is drafted between or is crafted between today and Friday. But he has also revealed some more information concerning the decision by the Ministry of Health concerning medical doctors. He says it's private to information that the Ministry of Health intends to fire all doctors involved in the strike, and at the same time craft another, come up with a negotiation package to be able to hire other new doctors. But he says that as a medical doctor, he knows that Kenya has roughly 5,000 medical doctors, which is way, way below the accepted international standards for the ratio of medical doctors to the population of the country. So he also says he knows other countries in the Eastern African region, such as Rwanda and Botswana, are also keen and watching keenly what is transpiring between the government of Kenya and its medical doctors. He says that they are keen on hiring the doctors from Kenya if it happens that they are fired.
All right, thank you very much for that update. That is Mark Namaswa joining us from City Center studios with an update on the meeting that never was between the Senate Committee of Health and the Ministry of Health officials. All right.